If you want to duplicate WhatsApp and use two WhatsApp accounts on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, of course, you need to have WhatsApp installed on your phone. If you don't have it yet, you need to, for instance, use the Play Store, and then you can search for WhatsApp over here, and you can install it. Once you have WhatsApp on your phone, the next thing that you need to do in order to clone it, we need to go to Settings. In the Settings, scroll down and find Advanced Features, and then choose it. Scroll all the way down and go to Dual Messenger. And over here in Available Apps, you should be able to choose WhatsApp. We can tap on the switcher in order to turn on the Dual Messenger feature for this app, and then choose Install in order to create a second copy of WhatsApp. And then you should be able to find it in the home screen or the apps screen over here. You can tell the difference between these two apps by looking at the icon. The cloned version has this additional icon in the bottom right corner. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!